Everyone, this is Kumar. Welcome to Bhojpuri. Today, I would like to explain about Kashkal's algorithm. The previous figure, the what is spanning tree, what is minimum spanning tree, and how to apply the Prim's algorithm. Now, I discuss Kashkal's algorithm. Kashkal's algorithm is Grady algorithm in graph theory that finds a minimum spanning tree for connected weighted graph. It finds a subset of the edges that forms a tree that includes a vertex where the total weight of all the edges in the tree is minimized. This algorithm is directly based on the minimum spanning tree property. It is a very easiest algorithm. How to work, I will explain. First, sort all the edges from low weight to high weight. First, sort out all the weights. Then take the edge with the lowest weight and add it to the spanning tree. If adding the edge created a cycle, then reject the edge. The simplest method. The keep adding edges until we reach all the vertices. The end of the visiting or connected the spanning tree or create. Some example, the same example. Is for first step. Sort out all the edges. Create the one table. The edge one edge to mount the 10 edges. That 0. The minimum edge is 1. That is 0 2. That 0 2 edge weight is 1. And the next lowest weight, that is the 2. That is 3 5. The vertex 3 5. That is weight 2. The next weights. The next lowest weight 3. But in this 3 edges are available 0 1 and 1 4. No problem for choosing any one. I am choosing 0 1, that is 3, and 1 4, that is 3. The next lowest weight, that is 4, the only 2 to 5. Now note down that edge. Then lowest weight, that is 5, the available the two edges, that is 2 to 3 and 2 to 1. Choose any one. 1 to 2, that is 5, and 2 to 3 also 5. Now the next lowest weight, that is the 6, the available 3 weights 0 3 and 2 4 and 4 5. You choose any one. The first, that is the 0 3, that is 6. The next one 2 2 4, that is also 6, and 4 5, that is the 6. After the sort out all the edges, the simply connect the first vertex, that is 0 2. That means connect the 0 to, then connect the 3 5. The 3 5 edge are the next lowest edge, and then 0 1, that is 3. 0 1, the next connected edge. The next one is 1 4. 1 4, connect that 1 and 4. Next 2 5. 2 5, and the next edge 1 2. 1 2. In case you connect the 1 and 2 edge in the form the cycle, so it simply reject. Then 2 3. 2 3. It is also form the cycle, so simply reject. Then 0 3. 0 3. It is also form the cycle, so simply reject. Next 2, 4. 2, 4. It is also form the cycle, so simply result. 4, 5. 4 to 5, it is also from the cycle. So all the edges are wow. So it is the span. That means 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2. Explaining the lowest weight, the that is the first edge, the 0 to 2, that is 1, and the next is 0, 3 to 5, that is 2. Lowest 3, so 0 to 1. The next lowest 1 to 2, that is connected to 1. The next lowest is 3 to 5. All the edges are connected. Next 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. That is the third edge. The minimum spanning tree. This is the minimum spanning tree. The white is the third. It's the very simplest and easiest. Thank you.